Okay guys, I wanted to show an update. Those are the hillstream loaches that bred for me. Those are 4 of the babies. I'm not sure how many are there for sure. I've been told if I'm seeing 3 or 4, they're probably 30 or 40, but I don't know. It's a small tank, but we'll see. But they're doing really well. They're growing fast. Just fed them. They came out for some food, so I thought I'd do an update on them. They're just scurrying around. I love these little guys. Here they come. That's the hillstream loach babies. Oh, there's one of the adults coming. Yep, that's the babies.